So I could give you so many examples of this one. 1 minute you're young and wild, the next you're secretly unplugging people's Glade plugins. And while I shared this from one of my fellow Facebook buddies, Tony Liker, earlier, and acquired it to share elsewhere, but what most people don't realize is how toxic these things really are. I mean, if you become clued up at all, when you realize that it's about exposure over time to everything that you use, yeah. Even washing powder would be an example. Washing out liquids, soaps, perfumes, aftershaves, colognes, you name it. They have to lace everything with something that over time is not going to be to your benefit. And you only need to look a few decades ago that most people didn't have things like plugins. They didn't. None of it. And if there was something that smelled bad, well, they just sorted that. Why this? But remember, through advertising, this promotion of somehow cleanliness is part of the toxicity of the witchcraft that we are all exposed to. Think about cars. Yeah. Mercedes. Premium brand. Have we scents coming into your cabin every few minutes. It's about eugenics. You only have to go back a few decades. Honestly, I met so many people and they never needed any deodorants. And there was a time not that long ago, if somebody smelled other than washing on a regular basis, it was something about their health. And I'll speak to you soon.